In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix SEO tutorial. If you've ever changed a page's address or reorganized your site, a redirect is what ensures anyone using the old link lands on the right page, and that search engines understand the move. Done correctly, this preserves your traffic and protects your SEO. We'll start right in your Wix dashboard. First, make sure you've selected the correct website if you manage more than one. On the left-hand panel, click Marketing. In that section, look for SEO. Depending on your version, it may appear as SEO, SEO, and Geo, or Data SEO. Open that, then choose URL Redirect Manager. This is your hub to see what redirects already exist and to add new ones. To create a new redirect, click the Create New Redirect button. In the source field, type the old URL path such as /old page. You typically don't need to include the full domain, just the path after your main URL. In the destination field, paste the exact URL where you want people to land. This can be another page on your Wix site or an external link. A quick tip, copy the destination address directly from your browser to avoid typos, and double check that it loads correctly on its own before saving the redirect. A few best practices will make your redirects reliable and SEO friendly. Be precise with the complete path, including capitalization and any trailing slash. Some systems treat slash and no slash as different addresses, so consistency prevents mismatches. When the move is permanent, choose a permanent or 301 redirect. This clearly signals to search engines that the content has moved for good and helps transfer ranking signals to the new URL. If you're consolidating several older pages into a single new one, create a separate redirect for every individual old path so no visitor ends up at a dead end. And never point a new URL back to an old one. That creates a redirect loop that prevents the page from loading at all. When everything looks right, save your settings to apply the redirect immediately. After saving, test it by visiting the old URL in a private or incognito window to make sure it lands on the new destination. If anything changes later, you can return to the URL Redirect Manager at any time to edit or remove entries as your site structure evolves. Keep an eye on your analytics and error reports so you can catch any missed paths